Got it? No slam dunks until you've sorted the mess under your bed.
Mess? What mess?
Ooh.
Oh, that mess.
Oh, you haven't cleaned under there since you were in short pants. These short pants.
Okay, I'll get it done.
Phew.
With a little robot help. Okay, you two. The secret of cleaning up quick is doing it in the right order. You need a sequence. First part is you find an item. Then pick it up.
Pick it up.
Next, you move it away.
Move it away.
Nice. Then only when it's totally clear, Marv, you go in and suck up the dust.
Suck up the dust.
Great. Okay. You guys remember the sequence?
Pick it up. Move it away. Suck up the dust. Pick it up. Move it away.
Suck up the dust. Pick it up.
Move it away.
Suck up the dust.
Okay. You two get to it while I go shoot some hoops. Dad, you see my other sneaker?
Okay. Pick it up. Move it away. Suck up the dust. Phew. Pick it up. Move it away.
Suck up the dust. Hurry up, Cosmo. Suck up the...
Move it away.
Suck up the dust.
No. Not clear yet.
Oh.
Pick it up. Yikes! Pick it up. Move it away. Huh? Huh? Oh. Oh. Pick it up. Ah! Move it away. Move it away. Pick it up, move it away. Pick it up, move it away.
Launch blaster rocket. Mission to Mars.
Pick up rocket,
Mission to Mars.
Mars it away.
Launch blaster rocket.
Blaster it up,
Mission to Mars.
pick up Mars. Suck up the dust.
Suck up the dust.
Wait, no! Stop! Stop! Uh-oh.
Ouch.
There it is. Thanks, Marv.
Suck up the dust.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Cody,
Oh,
you haven't even started.
on it now, Dad. Come on, guys. You know the sequence. Pick it up, move it away.
Leave it to Cody.
Huh?
Huh? Hey! Wow.
get that, Kavu?
Yep. Nice moves.
Now, let's float to Talkbot! Look at those likes! Ha! They love me.
Yeah! Somebody has to.
Huh. You'll see, Cosmo. Any second now, I'll get enough likes to earn a... Gold thumb! Gold thumb! What color is the thumb? Gold!
Anyone can get a gold thumb.
Oh, yeah? I'd like to see you try.
I'll show you. Right here and right now.
Yes. I'll film you. Action.
Let's do it. The world's gonna love me. I hope.
Go, Cosmo! Oh no! Oh no!
Cut!
Okay, time to go viral.
Gold thumb jump coming right up.
And action!
Woohoo! Yeah! Awesome! Cool!
Cut! Okay, let's try something else.
Ooh! Help me! I'm going to fall! This is a job for Captain Cosmo! Help! Oh, Captain Cosmo will save you! Huh? Ah, Lily.
Still rolling!
Lily! Stop!
Still rolling!
Lily, stay. Yuck! I'm never gonna get a gold thumb. Oh. This is a disaster. I'm a disaster.
Oh.
Huh? Funniest clip I've ever seen.
Oh no! It's uploading! Make it stop!
I'm sorry, Cosmo.
So am I. The whole world is laughing at me.
Cosmo, look! The world loves you! Just for being you!
Huh? Gold thumb?
Huh?
More gold thumbs. More gold thumbs. What color are they? Gold.
Oh, no!
What's up?
It's no use, Cosmo.
Huh?
Miss Jones said paint what's important. Keep it simple. But I keep going way too far.
Oh. Give it one more try, Cody.
Ugh, why is this so hard? Huh? Hey, Kai. Nice painting.
Thanks! I love abstract art, don't you? It's just so simple, right?
Yeah, Sure.
So, skate park?
Thanks, but I gotta get my own painting finished. Maybe later?
Okay, see you then.
Oh, this isn't abstract, Cody. Paint what's important. Keep it simple.
Ooh. Keep it simple. Abstract. Look, Vector. Art.
That's art.
Lines, Vector, not stamps.
Stamps, not lines.
Lines.
Stamps!
Stamps. Lines. Uh-oh.
Stamps!
Lines.
Stamps!
Lines.
Stamps! Stamps!
Ah, that's better. Just needed a timeout for inspiration. Keep it simple, Cody. Huh?
Oh no!
What? Ugh! Huh? Unbelievable. Paint what's important. Keep it simple. Ta-da! I call this my family portrait.
Hey guys, what a busy day. I am gonna do nothing more than put my feet up till dinner. Simple. Cody!
Cool. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Coding Cosmo with a laser. And it's gonna be sweet. There. Now, whenever you hear music, your laser lights up.
Whoa! Cool! Sweet!
Awesome! It's here! Disco ball!
Coming through. Straight back, bent knees.
Can you hang it up now, Dad? Sarah and Kai are gonna love it!
Whoa! Amazing!
Whoa.
Ah! I'm out of here!
Every great party needs a great first song. Ooh, like this.
Go, Alan! Go, Alan! Woohoo! Let's boogie! Yeah! Woo! Cody, stop the music!
No, wait, this one. Or maybe this one. Whoa, tune!
Cody, can you pass me that screw?
Hmm? Oh, yeah, sure, Dad.
Phew! No more lasers.
Got it at last, Cosmo. The perfect tune. Check it.
Uh-oh. No, Cody, wait! Oh, no. Phew. Huh?
Yes, they're here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cody. Happy birthday to you. Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Let's party.
Awesome!
Phew.
Party snacks here.
Yum!
Dance battle here.
Awesome.
And disco ball here.
Whoa.
Whoa!
This is so cool. But, where's the music?
Oh, yeah, of course. I've made the ultimate playlist. And check out Cosmo's laser when it plays.
Laser?
Go for it, buddy.
Okay, yep.
Oh, whoa!
Awesome.
Okay, yep.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.